Welcome back to Autocrafters. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about trucks of the decade. The 2027 Ram 1500. Ram has built a reputation for crafting pickups that blend brute power with luxury refinement, and this new model might just redefine what a modern full-size truck can be. Ram has given the 1500 a major redesign, and it's the most futuristic yet. The front fascia is bold and commanding with a massive grille that now integrates active aerodynamics. The signature Ram lettering sits proudly in the center, surrounded by sleek LED headlights that stretch into the fenders, creating a mean, confident stare. For 2027, Ram focused on both aerodynamic efficiency and visual aggression. The truck has a more sculpted hood, active grille shutters, and air curtains that reduce drag, improving both fuel economy and stability at high speeds. Depending on the trim you pick, whether it's the Tradesman Laramie Rebel Limited or the all-new Tungsten Edition, you'll notice different design cues. The Rebel flaunts a more off-road rugged look with blacked-out details and skid plates, while the Limited and Tungsten trims bring chrome accents, premium finishes, and body-colored bumpers that scream sophistication. The new LED taillights with animated sequences give it a distinctive light signature at night, and the bed, now available with Ram's multi-function tailgate, can open barn door style or fold flat like a traditional one. Ram also added more tie-down points, a built-in power outlet, and the latest version of the Rambox storage system integrated neatly into the bed walls. Step inside and the transformation from brawny to beautiful continues. Ram has long been the benchmark for truck interiors, and this year they've outdone themselves. The 2027 Ram 1500's cabin feels like something out of a luxury SUV rather than a pickup. The materials are top-notch genuine leather, real wood, brushed aluminum, and even suede inserts in the tungsten trim. Everything from the stitching on the seats to the ambient lighting has been crafted with precision. The design language is sleek, with a horizontally oriented dashboard and a massive 14.5-inch Uconnect 6 infotainment display taking center stage. That display supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in Amazon Alexa. The 12.3-inch digital driver's display is fully customizable, allowing you to view navigation, performance data, and towing stats with a swipe. The seats are both heated and ventilated front and rear, and you can even get a massage function in the Tungsten Edition. Rear passengers get limo-like legroom thanks to Ram's signature flat floor and reclining seats. Under the hood, the 2027 Ram 1500 offers multiple powertrains to suit every driver, from daily commuters to towing titans. But the biggest headline, Ram's all-new Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6 engine, replacing the legendary Hemi V8. Before the purists panic, don't worry, this new engine isn't a downgrade, it's an evolution. The 3.0-liter Hurricane delivers up to 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque in its high-output version, making it more powerful, more efficient, and smoother than the outgoing 5.7L Hemi. Ram also offers a standard 3.0L Hurricane variant with around 420 horsepower and a 3.6L Pentastar V6 mild hybrid option for those prioritizing economy. But here's where it gets wild. The 2027 Ram 1500 REV, the fully electric version, takes things to a whole new level, with up to 654 horsepower, 620 lb-ft of instant torque, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.4 seconds. It's one of the quickest trucks ever made. You also get up to 500 miles of range, ultra-fast DC charging that can add 110 miles in just 10 minutes, and advanced four-wheel drive with independent suspension at all corners. Now, regardless of which engine you choose, every 2027 Ram 1500 comes with the 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, known for its buttery smooth shifts. When it comes to capability, the truck remains a monster. Towing capacity goes up to 13,000 pounds, while payload tops 2,300 pounds depending on configuration. The 2027 model also introduces trailer tracking tech, which uses sensors and cameras to monitor the trailer's movement, helping drivers avoid sway and jackknifing. Another smart touch is the digital rearview mirror, giving you a full HD camera feed of what's behind you, even when your bed is full or a trailer is attached. And yes, for the tech lovers, you get wireless charging pads, up to 7 USB-C ports, multiple 120V outlets, and built-in Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices. In the electric REV version, you even get vehicle-to-load capability, meaning you can power your tools, campsite, or even your home during an outage directly from the truck's massive battery. The 2027 Ram 1500 represents a new era for trucks. It's not just about torque, towing, or toughness anymore, it's about intelligence, design, and experience. Whether you're a traditionalist drawn to the Hurricane engine's muscle and adventure, craving the Rebel's off-road grit, spirit or an eco-minded driver eyeing the all-electric REV, the new Ram 1500 has a version built for you. This truck doesn't just raise the bar, it redefines it. And that wraps up our full review of the 2027 Ram 1500, a truck that perfectly blends brains, brawn and beauty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Autocrafters and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews on the most exciting vehicles of tomorrow. Until next time, this is Autocrafters signing off.